Assalamu alaikum students. We are starting question 21 and 22 of exercise 10F. Question number 21, they have asked you to find the equation of a line which is parallel to this given line. The equation of one line is given and they have asked you to find the equation of another line which is parallel to this line. Sorry, they have asked you to find the gradient of this other line. So as you can see, both of these lines are exactly parallel. So the gradient of both of lines is same. So what we need to do is we will find the gradient of this equation and that would be the gradient of this other equation. So let's start with the question. So we know that to find the gradient we need to have the general form of the equation of line, which is y is equals to mx plus c, right? So here all I need to do is I need to take this 2 on the opposite side. So I will have y equals to 1 over 2 into minus 3 over 4x minus 6, right? Now I'll multiply it with both of the terms. 4 2s are 8x minus 6 over 2 will be 3. So from here I can see that the gradient of the given line is minus 3 over 8, right? Likewise, the gradient of the other line will be minus 3 over 8, which is parallel to this line. So I'm going to write that gradient of the line parallel to given line, or you can write the equation of line here, is minus 3 over 8. So that's all we need to find, right? Then in question number 22, they have asked you to find the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this line. I have this line y is equals to 4x plus 1, okay? And then I need to find the gradient of a line which is perpendicular to this line. Perpendicular means that is making 90-degree angle with this. I needs to find the gradient of this line. So when the lines are perpendicular, then the gradient of the other line is minus of the reciprocal of this line. Okay, so we know that gradient of this line is, of this given line is, you can easily see that it's the value of m, which is gradient. So gradient of given line is 4, right? Now the gradient of perpendicular line perpendicular to this line, to the line y equals to 4x plus 1 is minus 1 over the gradient of this line. So this is the value of the gradient of the other line. Likewise, you will find the gradient of any line perpendicular. All you need to do is, in some questions, you won't have the general form of equation. You may have equation in any other form. So you will just transfer it, or you will just make changes to it to have your equation in general form. That is y equals to mx plus c, and then you can get the gradient from your equation. But for perpendicular, you will always take minus reciprocal of the gradient of first line. Okay, that's all. Thank you.